So,
Really fortunate we get certificates for this. So it's really equivalent to one lifestyle class.
And all the things that are going to happen here. Got salt and
well, this is the most important step. Well, feel ako. Tapos, i-mix siya sa tapadry. So pretty. Thank you, attorney, for helping me. It's so beautiful. Let me see your pasta.
Here lang, parang isaw, kaya gusto ko na ganyan.
Grabe na, sobra naman ka-straight, Miss Dayan. It's so beautiful. My pasta is here. Taste test. Wow, perfect. Wow, looks so good. Oh, yummy. Ginalingan.
Sana pangalan na siya.
Aglio olio with ginamos.
Nagali ka ginamos.
Man, pero na-try
Yummy
ko
siya.
na somewhere. Na-try na ko ba sa...
Smile. Love it.
Banat ka pa!
Because it's Chef Mike's food.
Unsa dyan siya ba?
Ay, yeah, sure.
Kaya wow, grabe, ginalingan.
Or daghan kayo.
Family size.
Family size na dala uno niya sa mga anak.
Hala, grabe naman na imuhang art dira. Uy.
Sarang ya art lang gud pa.
Go na, kay para taste test. Okay lang, late sa imuhang kalamig sa imuhang shrimp. Wala, pwede makitaste test, kuya.
Sure.